My data will be formatted as a table now, and as you can see, the rows in my table have alternating row colors. In this quick video, I would like to show you how to alternate the color of some rows that you may have in Microsoft Excel. Now, let's say that you have this data right here. Yours might look a little bit different, but you would like to apply format to this data. You would like the first row to have, let's say, a color like this one, and then the second row to have a different color, the third row to have the first color, and so on. Now, let me show you how easy it is to do that in Microsoft Excel. All you have to do is to click anywhere in your data and then press Ctrl and A, and that will ensure that you have selected all the data that you had. The next thing that I have to do is to go to the Home tab, and from here identify this Format as Table button. I'm going to click on it, and from over here pick the best option that works for you. In my case, I'm just going to pick this one right here. Excel is going to show me this pop-up that will ask me if this is indeed my data and if my table has headers. This option is really important. You need to look at your table. Mine has headers. Each column that you see in here has this cell where it's describing the data that's underneath: department, first name, city, and so on. And in my case, I'm going to leave this as checked, and when I'm going to hit OK, my data will be formatted as a table now, and as you can see, the rows in my table have alternating row colors. Now this is it. If this video was useful to you, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.